Why is this cut line red and disruptive? Let's check something out. So with this 2019 Mercedes S-Class AMG, someone called out to me and let me know that something's wrong with this door panel here, and this line's red, and every time they go to cut it, it gives them a warning about it, right? So what can you do in the situation? First thing to do is, one, please let me know, because what I'm going to do long term is I'm going to go in and fix this pattern and save it as a user kit so you can have access to it later on and not run into this issue again. But what do you do right now? Right? Let's say you're looking right now. Well, first thing I want to do is figure out what's going on. What happened in this instance is, if you zoom way in, is the cut line here for the top and bottom part of this door handle here isn't a butt seam. The pattern is right on top of itself. So it's essentially going to tell the plotter to cut this line, come back around and cut over this line again. So Disruptive sees it as an error. So what I would like to do is I would like to double click this and go in and pull this line up, but unfortunately these lines are right on top of each other, right? So what I did instead is we went and looked for a standard S-Class 2019 of the same year at that pattern, and on that pattern when we zoom in, we notice that there's a little bit of a gap there, which is going to be better for your plotter. It's not going to cut over the same spot twice. You're not going to see any errors with Disruptive, right? So first thing you can do is please let me know, right? So I can fix it. And then go look at some other cars of similar models but different trim levels and see if the pattern's correct in there. So what we can do in this instance is we can copy and paste, put this over into here. So we copy it, we go over here, we paste, and we use this pattern instead, and we can copy the other side over here too, and we use this pattern instead. So what I'm going to do moving forward is I'm going to save this as a user kit so we don't run into this again. But if you ever see that, let me know. And in the meantime, look for other trim levels of the same model in similar years and see if you can find the right pattern there.